My dear students of third year, a very good morning to all. I hope that you all are okay with the blessings of Almighty God. I am also okay. This is the second online class for you. So let's move on with the PowerPoint presentation. First of all, welcome you all to my online class on behalf of Nobigans Gop College. This is Mohammed Mashood Mia, lecturer in English, Nobigans Gop College, Nobigans. Today's topic is social linguistics questions part. I will discuss two questions from social linguistics. The subject is linguistics. This subject or this course is designed for third year level honors. The first question is a short question. Show the difference between Creole and Pidgin. Or the question may be asked in different way. Define Pidgin and Creole. The answer is Pidgin and Creole are two different uncommon sociolinguistics phenomena. A Pidgin is a language with no native speaker. That means the Pidgin has no native speaker like Bangla, English, Hindi, etc. It is also no one's first language. It is in fact a contact language. Contact language means the Pidgin is meant for communication only. A Pidgin is a mixture of elements from different natural languages. Pidgin has no specific characteristics. Pidgin has no word of its own. It takes grammar or sentence from natural languages. Its use is usually restricted to certain groups. See, it means, for example, traders and seamen. Pidgin are used in some parts of Southeast Asia. On the other hand, a language that develops from Pidgin into a native language is called Creole. This Creole has its origin from Pidgin. A Creole arises when a Pidgin becomes a mother tongue. It is fully functional language of its own. Creole is a common language. Common language means language like other language, Bangla, Hindi, English, etc. It has complete grammar of its own and the full expression power that affords. But Pidgin has no complete grammar of its own. It develops among the children of Pidgin speaker. The example of a Creole language is Haitian Creole, which is French-based. The example says that Haitian Creole is a language that originates from French language, but widely different from standard French, but not like original French. Let's move on for broad questions. The broad question is discuss different varieties of sociolinguistics, or what is sociolinguistics, discuss different varieties of sociolinguistics, or explain language variety. This is the broad question. This question may be asked in different ways. The answer is sociolinguistics is a branch of linguistics. It is the study of the relationship between language and society. The very word sociolinguistics hints us. What does it mean? Actually, language and society combines sociolinguistics. Its main aim is to investigate language in its social and cultural context. This includes the study of language in a society or speech community, language varieties, and language functions. It helps us to explore, uncover, and understand why we speak differently in various social contexts, what effects a language has on the diverse aspects of a community, or vice versa, how a language functions as a channel of communication between various parts of a society. So it can be said that sociolinguistics is that part of linguistics which deals with language as a social and cultural phenomenon. Now we will discuss varieties of language. We know that language has many varieties. Among them, some of them are discussed below. We know that language is a social phenomenon. People across the world use different languages. In sociolinguistics, when we see languages of the world as phenomena, we can call different languages as varieties. For example, Bangla, Hindi, English, French, etc. are all different varieties. The most widely recognized types of language variety are language, dialect, and register. Different varieties of sociolinguistics are discussed below. First one is language. Eugene has pointed out that language and dialect are ambiguous terms. Ambiguous means not clear, vague. Ordinary people use these terms quite freely in speech. On the other hand, there is a difference of size because language is larger than a dialect. That is, language contains more elements than dialect. Dialect means a regional language. Bangla we can say Anchalik Bhasha or Upabhasha. The second one is regional dialect. The term language is used in a broader sense, whereas dialects are used to mean regional phenomena. In a strict sense, dialects are regional. That is, people of different regions use different dialects under the same language. Dialects are essentially marked by accent. We saw in our country Sylheti dialect, Noakhali dialect, Chittagonian dialects. Thus, we can say that dialects of different regions are called regional dialects. Okay, next one, socio-dialect or sociolect. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relation between society and its language. Thus, we know that in a wider sense, language, variety, and dialects have almost similar meanings. However, social dialects are not regional phenomena. For this reason, social dialects refers to non-regional differences. It refers to that differences caused by different social laminations. Next one is register. The term register is widely used in sociolinguistics to refer to varieties of language according to use. Registers are set of language items associated with occupational or social group. In the day-to-day activities, professionals like pilots use some language items which are not used by others. Thus, various professionals like captain, bank managers, clerks, singer, judge use different words of registers only for their different professions. For example, credit and investment are two registers used by bankers. Next one is idiolect. Idiolect is a variety of language used by one individual speakers, including peculiarities of pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, etc. It is the individual's personal variety of the language system. Next one, pidgin. We already discussed earlier, pidgin and creole. Pidgin is a mixture of elements from different natural languages. Its use is usually restricted to certain groups. For example, traders and seamen. Pidgins are used in some parts of Southeast Asia. Creole, when a pidgin becomes a lingua franca means common language. It's called a creole. Thus, a pidgin is extended beyond its limited function and permits through various other activities. It has no such history. This is actually the term that is related to varieties of language. You should read or understand every varieties of language because this Creole, pidgin, idiolect may be asked in separately in your Greek question part. So you must commit to all these varieties of language. That is the end of today's lecture. Thank you all. I'll come again with another topic. Before that, stay well, stay home, and be blessed. Thank you all. Goodbye.